Good afternoon, all of you. I hope all of you are doing good. Kindly revise the last lecture. Any doubt if you have, then you please ask. Today we'll do principles of insurance, okay? And after that we'll do the topic that is left over of NBFCs, okay? NABARD we have done. Any doubt in the last lecture? Okay. So now we are going to discuss principles of insurance, and you can get around 8 to 10 marks question, or you can say 6 marks or 8 marks question from principle of insurance. Okay. I'll wait for next 1 minute. Some of the students are joining right now, so we'll wait for them. You can note down the principles in your notebook. Okay. You have Can we start now? Everybody's ready? Okay, now see beta, what are the principles of insurance? So basically, what do you understand by principles? So principles are what you can say that are the certain basic guidelines that every insurance organization and the insured person they are supposed to follow. Okay, so principles of insurance are what? These are the certain guidelines or rules and regulations that every organization and every individual insured person they are supposed to follow wherever it is applicable. Okay. uh, and plus the organization that name is IRDAI, that you called as Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. It was established in 1999. Okay, started working in 2000. And see, this is the organization that is also going to keep a watch over that whether the different organization or the insured person, whether they are following these principles or they are following it or not. Okay. Now we are going to start with very first principle of insurance that you called as principle of utmost good faith. Okay. See, like just suppose the two individual are there, Abhinav Garg and Abhinav Kumar Aditya. Okay. Abhinav Garg, here I'm taking you as an organization. Okay, you are having an insurance organization, that name is Garg Insurance Company Limited. Okay, your company name is Garg Company Limited, Garg Insurance Company Limited. Okay, and Abhinav is going to take the Abhinav Kumar Aditya. Okay, Abhinav Kumar Aditya is one of the customer that is going to take insurance from your company. Okay, so could you tell me that how faith is going to create, how faith will be built when you are going to provide any policy to Abhinav, Abhinav Garg, how you will create any kind of trust, means good faith, how will create that? Should I give you the audio right? I'm giving you audio rights. Just wait, Abhinav, okay? Then it will take more time to type. Abhinav, enable your mic. So, how you will create the good faith for Abhinav Kumar Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. First, I will provide all the information regarding whatever the insurance he wants, so that and also I will clear his doubts, so that he can be sure that whatever the insurance he is going to take, he understood all the terms and conditions of that insurance.
Okay. So, Abhinav, if you're going to provide all the terms and condition and guidelines, that will be all orally, or will you provide all in written form?
Ma'am, in written form, because there should be
Okay.
some proof that these are the terms and conditions.
Okay, and as you know that all you are aware about that, whenever we are going to take any kind of policy, so as you know that insurance is a contractual agreement between two parties. This is a legal agreement between two parties. So this is a prior, you can say, arrangement. Whenever we are going to issue any policy, so all that terms and condition that should be clear. Okay, first of all with the company, with the IRDI, then to the insured person. Okay, so how good utmost good faith is going to be create when the insurance company that will provide all terms and condition in the written form to the concerned individual. Okay, and there should be no disguise, there should be no information hiding. Okay, means individual company, insurance company will not hide any information to the concerned person that is going to take insurance. Okay, and apart from this, Abhinav, will you tell also about the information about the premium amount that he is supposed to pay, the installment he is supposed to pay? Will you tell about all that information in written in form, and will you able to change it in near future?
Ma'am, it depends on the situation, I think.
Situation, no. uh, any kind of policy we are going to take, so it is clearly mentioned that how much premium or how much installment amount we that a customer is supposed to pay. Okay, those who are going to take insurance, just suppose Abhinav is going to take insurance policy of like just suppose 50 lakh. Okay, life insurance. So yearly, just suppose he is supposed to pay 1 lakh. Okay, so he has made an installment of 250,000 and 50,000. Okay, so Abhinav Kumar Aditya will pay that certain amount, and that will be all written in form. Okay, so that how this insurance company and individual faith will create by these certain terms and conditions that are all in written in form. Okay, apart from this, one of the point I also want to add on that no company, see, just suppose Abhinav Kumar Aditya is going to take insurance policy, and he is having ample of opportunities. You can ample of insurance companies are there, life insurance companies are there, like Garg insurance companies there, Akshay Kumar Sharma company is there. I'm just taking imaginary company. Okay, or like just suppose LIC is also there. Okay, so Abhinav is free to take his decision whether in which insurance company he want to invest, or which kind of policy that he wants to take. Okay, so nobody can enforce him, nobody can make a statement like that you will take insurance policy from this insurance company only. Okay, that is all that choice of that individual insured person, or means customer, from where exactly the insurance policy he or she wants to avail. Okay, I hope this is clear with everyone. Principle of utmost good faith. Any doubt if you have, you kindly ask. Okay. Now next one beta, that is proximate cause. Now next one is proximate cause. Okay, this one, second point we are going to discuss. Now just suppose there are, I will tell you one real example also that I have seen last year. Okay, so proximate cause means what? That whenever any kind of accident is going to occur, okay, so the insurance company will see that what exactly the nearby reason of that particular incident. Are you getting my point? Proximate cause means insurance company will see that what exactly the reason of that particular mishap, or the accident, or maybe that is of car, maybe of bike, maybe of truck, maybe of anything. Okay, or maybe fire occurred. Why? What's the reason? Maybe boiler, like there is a burst in a boiler. If you have taken the boiler insurance, so why there is a burst occur? So proximate cause means the nearby reason of that particular incident, the accident, whatever that occur, so they will look after that particular thing. Okay, so in this particular proximate cause, the insurance company, after that happening, they will send a particular individual that will look after, that will see out, that will verify and evaluate that what exactly the incident occur over there. Okay, where exactly over there, and what place that occur, on what day, on which date it has been occurred. Okay, so in the proximate cause, insurance company will verify each and every fact that is related with the accident, or related with the that particular incident, okay, or accident. Okay, I hope this is clear with everyone. I'll tell you one example also. Okay, and why it is important to identify the proximate cause. Okay, I want to tell you one of the example of my neighborhood, that one of the individual that is living. Okay, so he's doing a business of like your traveler's car. Okay, means whenever any individual want to go for any kind of traveling, so they can book the car from that individual. Okay, so in last year what happened, this individual, okay, that have taken his car to Manali. Okay, but he has not taken the traveler license, means he has traveler license, but he has not taken some permit, something he is supposed to take. Okay, from Himachal Pradesh, he has visited Himachal Pradesh, Manali. There one place is there, Manali, so he visited over there. Okay, and he took some of the individual over there. So when he was crossing a particular hilly this hilly area, so in a particular like there was a, you can say, एक मोड़ आ गया था वहां पे. Okay, so then a truck was coming over there, so there was an accident took place. By God grace, all the individual were safe. Okay, but this car has been dumped into the like uh, there was a uphill and there is a downhill is there, so that fall down over there. But somehow the people have, all that people have saved. Okay, they have lots of injuries over there, like one leg of that individual have also like fractured. Okay, so this incident has been occurred, they have placed that filed the case in that Manali police station also, and so thing. Okay, but when they came over here, that particular individual with that particular members and all, so he talked to his concern, he talked to the concerned person, and one of the individual, he suggested him that you don't have the permit to go with your this car to Manali or Himachal Pradesh. So what I suggest you, you show this accident occur in Ambala only. okay, one of the place that is nearby Ambala. So they showed that this accident occur over there. You file a complaint in the particular police station over there. There's accident and so thing. They planned all that thing. Okay, so that insurance company, okay, they agree on this. Okay, then what they do, they send an individual to his one of there is a nearby village from that individual is actually belong. Okay, before 3 years they came to this place. Okay, so this insurance company send a individual insurance agent to verify all that accident to his village. Okay, so some of the villagers said that because he doesn't tell the fact that where exactly the accident occurs, so they just verification, they asked that where exactly the accident occur. Then they told that villagers told that this accident occur in the Manali. Okay, so insurance agent was really surprised at how where exactly this incident occur and what they are telling actually. So they this individual have also visited this particular police station of Manali also. Then they came to know that this accident actually occur at that place, because this individual doesn't have the permit of that place, so that can't claim for the insurance of the car. Okay, there may be some condition was there. Okay, so and but luckily that insurance company have not done a case against that individual. Okay, maybe they have taken some support over there, so there could be fraudulent case could be placed, okay, against that individual, but somehow it has not done. So you understand what is proximate cause. Proximate cause means insurance company will verify what is the nearest cause of that particular incident. Some maybe generally that's occurs with some of the people, but some of the individual to gain the advantage, or you can say maybe they are not, they have not completed some of the papers truly. Okay, so somehow they want to manage it, but insurance company will see means will examine all that information, that is the real cause of the accident. Okay, proximate cause is clear with everyone. Any doubt if you have, kindly ask. Any student is having any doubt at this point, so you may ask now. Nayan, any doubt beta? Nayan, Navjot, Gagan is also there. Ashutosh, Sharad, Abhinav, Aditya. Okay, now next point we are going to discuss beta, that is insurable interest. Okay, now Abhinav is already having the audio right, so I am going to ask one thing from Abhinav. Kindly understand it. This is related with our point insurable interest. Okay, so Abhinav, we are means I am teaching over there in Chandigarh University. Okay, and you are studying over there. So in which block generally we are having the classes? In which block?
In block 12.
In block 12. In which room number you generally means you are having that classes? 102, 105.
In this semester, earlier, ma'am, we have in 407.
Okay. So 407. All your classmates, they do the same. Okay, they also took the class. They also means attend the classes over there, right, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so could you tell me, is are you having any if that particular room 407 is going to be damaged by any accident or any like natural calamity, so will it hurt you? It will make effect any financial loss on you?
Yes, ma'am.
It will make effect on you, only your emotions are going to be hurt, that is fine. Financially you will get any loss by that accident?
No, ma'am.
No. It means that any kind of building that doesn't belong to you, are you getting? any property that does not belong to you or that does not carry any kind of financial loss. Okay, for that you can take the insurance. Is it so? No, you can't take the insurance for any kind of property that does not belong to you. So principle of insurance, insurable interest, what state is that every property that belongs to particular owner, so they can take the insurance of that particular property. Okay, apart from this, if any accident, any losses could occur over there, financial loss if it is going to occur, so if it is affecting an individual, that can take the insurance. Other individual cannot take the insurance. So you understand this block table belongs to Chandigarh University Trust. Okay, so they can take the insurance of that, and we are just taking we are taking classes, you are attending classes over there, so we are not nothing to do with the financial loss. Are you getting my point? So insurable interest means the individual, those who are going to take the insurance, they must having the means financial interest in the property, then they can take the insurance. Okay, I hope you understand this point. Any doubt in this point? So you can ask now. Okay, now next point we are going to discuss, beta, that is principle of indemnity. Okay, in what, first and foremost thing, kindly note down this in your notebook too. Principle of indemnity is applicable only in case of general insurance. Okay, principle of indemnity is applicable only in case of general insurance. It is not applicable in case of life insurance. Again, I'm repeating, principle of indemnity is not applicable in life insurance. Reason. What is the reason behind that? See, if any individual is going to be deceased, okay, if any individual is going to be die, okay, that cannot be alive again. Okay, what principle of indemnity state is that it is you called as minimization of losses. Okay, so all the things that is related with general insurance except the cattle's and your animals life. Okay, so except the life, anything that is going to be lost, so that can be recovered from the insurance company. Okay, but not the human life and the animal's life. Okay, so you understand one thing, principle of indemnity, what state is that indemnity means what? Indemnity means minimize. Okay, minimize the hazard or the losses, or you can say uh, that is specifically for the general insurance. Okay, except one condition is there, animals and life will not include over there. Okay, I hope this point is clear with everyone, because if an individual is going to die, nobody can recover his life. Okay, nobody can alive him, and only that thing is available, that if it is in this individual is going to die, if I have taken insurance, so that nominee will survive their life. Okay, but that will not be alive. Okay, if car is going to be got accident or damage, so that can be repair again, but not the life. Okay, I hope this is clear with everyone. Okay, now next one is principle of subrogation. Okay, principle of subrogation. Now what means principle of subrogation means what? This first thing, this is a corollary principle of, this is a corollary, or you can say sub principle of indemnity. Okay, subrogation is a corollary principle of indemnity. Okay, this is also not applicable in case of life insurance. Subrogation means what? Subrogation means right is going to transfer. Okay, right is going to transferred by the insured person to the insurer. Means to say, when any damage, just suppose a car got an accident. Here I'm going to make drawing. Okay, Just suppose was the car. Okay, this was the car. Okay, there should be door also. Okay, and there should be a mirror also. Okay, now it's fine. I don't know which car is this. See, beta. Now, subrogation means what? Just suppose there is a truck over there. Okay, this is a truck. Okay, this is a big truck, and this car and this truck got an accident. Okay, now don't think that ma'am, what ma'am is teaching accident and all. Okay, this was a truck. Okay, and this truck and car got an accident. Okay, now see, when this car got an accident, so it got maximum destruction. Okay, somehow the individual that was sitting over there, so we are thinking this car was standing roadside. Okay, nobody was there, nobody was sitting over there in that car, and this car got an accident. Okay, this car totally you can say 80% damage, 80% damage occur over there. Okay, or you can say whatever the damage occur over there. So insurance company, what they will do, if they are going to pay 90% of the total amount of the insurance claim, are you getting? Then whatever the damage or whatever the damage of this particular car will remain. Okay, so that transfer, that right transfer will go to the insurance company. Are you getting? The ownership right, after collecting whole the amount from the insurance company, the ownership right of that car will move to the insurance company. Generally in India, people, they have certain emotions with that car. Okay, so they get it repair again, they somehow they don't want to give. Okay, but generally according to subrogation, right is going to transfer at the time of accident. If any property damage is going to be occur, then right is going to transfer to the insurance company. Okay, in other countries it do follow, but not in India. Okay, is this point is clear with everyone? Any doubt if you have, kindly ask. Okay, now next point we are going to discuss with that is principle of contribution. Okay, now I'm going to tell you with this example contribution. First of all, I'll make my drawing, then I'll tell you. Okay, see, just suppose this is Mr. Ram. Okay, this individual, this is Mr. Ram, that want to take insurance policy of like 5 crore. Okay, so this individual will go to this insurance company. Okay, that will tell that I want to take the insurance policy of 5 crore. Okay, and insurance company will clear him that this will be the premium, this will be the like amount you are supposed to pay yearly, and all that terms and condition that will tell by the insurance company to Mr. Ram. Okay, they will tell all the terms and condition and all. So Mr. Ram agree on that, and they started this insurance. Means the insurance company let him know that you come after 5 days or 2 days or 3 days, whatever the availability of time, or like means you can say the speedy work they are doing. Okay, now this insurance company that have taken the that have provided the 5 crore insurance, actually this insurance company doesn't have this much funds. Okay, so what this insurance company is going to do, they will talk to another insurance company. this insurance company will do a syndicate with another insurance company. Are you getting? This is another insurance company. Okay, they will do a syndicate that we have taken an insurance policy of this 1.5 crore. Okay, and we can pay only 3 crore. Okay, are you ready? Are you interested to provide the insurance of 2 crore? Are you getting my point? So they will do a contribution. Both will do the contribution. Okay, now this individual, Mr. Ram, is nothing to do with that contribution. Okay, that will pay the premium only to the insurance company that whom he has done a particular contract. Are you getting? So he's nothing to do with that contribution. So whenever any kind of accident or any kind of disease is going to be occur, so that will be paid in the contribution by both the insurance company. Okay, maybe that individual is aware or maybe not aware, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I hope you're getting. So this is going to be called as principle of contribution. So according to IRDA regulations, if one insurance company is not having the sufficient amount, so that can do the contribution with other company to make the availability of the insurance policy to any customer. Okay. Is this point is clear with everyone? Any doubt? If you have, kindly tell me. I'll explain it again. Anjali, Bazila, Anshika, any other student is having any doubt? Deepika, Gaurav Katoj, Jyoti, Ojala, or Ojala, Gagan Sharma, Gaurav Katoj, no doubts. Okay, now see beta, next point here I'm going to tell you, that is loss minimization. Okay, loss minimization means what? Just suppose I have this, okay, I'm telling you one thing. Just suppose this is Mr. X, okay, and he is having a scooter. I'm going to draw a scooter also. Okay, this is the scooter, or I don't know which cycle I'm going to draw. So somehow I'm going to manage it. Okay. It is not of 80,000 or 85,000 or not of 1 lakh. Just suppose this is a scooter. Okay. So this belongs to Mr. X. Okay. I should make a proper handle, and Mr. X is sitting over there. Okay. On this scooter. Okay. I don't know whether it's looking not looking a scooter at all. Okay, now see beta. This Mr. X, this scooter belongs to him. Okay, he took the insurance of this particular scooter. So it doesn't mean that knowingly he started to do the damage. He's going to start do the damage with this particular scooter. So he will be free like this, that I have taken insurance. I'm nothing to do with any kind of safety with this particular scooter. I'll do any kind of damage with this and all that. Okay. See, loss minimization means what? That when any insured person, or you can say any customer, when he's going to take the insurance, so insurance doesn't mean that you have take the insurance, so you will create any kind of loss with the property. Okay. What you will do as a rational human being, you have taken insurance, so you have taken insurance, so it means you're not going to create any harm with your property. Okay, you will try to it safe. Okay, you will create by yourself the loss minimization. Just take an example. Just suppose this Mr. X is also having a factory. Okay, so just suppose he has taken the fire insurance. Fine. And if any fire is going to be occur in the raw material, so it doesn't mean that he's not going to call the fire officer or like fire brigade. He's not going to call. Yes, definitely he's going to call. He's supposed to minimize the losses what could occur in the near future, or what could occur in that particular accident. Okay, I hope this is clear with everyone. So this is going to be called as loss minimization. Clear with everyone? Then we'll start NBFCs. Okay, I'm just making a revision of this principle of utmost good faith. Means all that things should be in written in form. Proximate cause means insurance company will see the nearest reason. Insurable interest means that if you have the ownership right, if you will face any financial loss, then you can take the insurance. Indemnity means minimization of losses. Okay, indemnity means minimization of losses. It only applicable in case of general insurance, not in life of an individual or animals. Okay, subrogation means right of the property. If it is going to be damaged, then it is going to transfer to the insurer. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next one, contribution. Contribution means what? If any insurance company is not having the sufficient amount for the policy, then it can do a contribution with other insurance company and will provide the insurance facility to the customer. Next one, loss minimization. Loss minimization means what? This is a prime responsibility of an insured person when he is going to take the insurance. So it doesn't mean that he's not going to protect his property. Okay, every kind of possible, every possible thing he's supposed to do or she's supposed to do when he's going to take insurance. Okay, clear with everyone? Now can we start NBFCs? I'm going to erase it. Have you written all the points? Have you written? Am I audible now? What I was telling you, that only two topics are left. One is NBFC introduction. I suppose I've also told in unit 1. So we'll go with that today and we'll complete it tomorrow. And one topic is also left that you called as securitization. After that, syllabus will be over of unit 2 and then we'll start the revision. Maybe we'll having the 4 or 5 lecture for the revision. Okay, 4 lecture I suppose. Okay. Now, what is NBFC beta? NBFC stands for what? That is stand for non-banking financial companies. Kindly note down. NBFC stand for non-banking financial companies. Okay. All the non-banking financial companies, or you can say those who want to establish any non-banking financial company, so they have to register their self under Companies Act 1956. I'm writing over here. They are supposed to register themselves under Companies Act 1956. Plus, they are also supposed to register themselves under Section 45 IA. Yes, Abhinav. Anjali. They are also supposed to follow the. They are also supposed to register themselves under 45 IA of Banking Regulation Act 1949. What do you say? Do you agree on this? Section 45 IA. In last, when we were discussing unit 1, I suppose I have shared the notes also related with this. Okay. So, but you understand one thing, that under 45 IA BR Act 19, all the NBFCs are not supposed to register. Is it so? This question I suppose we have discussed also in your revision classes. So all the NBFCs are not supposed to register. Those who are doing or providing loan advance facility, they are supposed to do so. Okay. Now see beta, NBFCs are what? NBFCs are those organizations or those companies that provide the facility of loan and advances. They do not provide any kind of demand deposit facility to any individual. Okay, I hope this is clear with everyone. Second thing, if we talk about the difference between NBFCs and bank, okay, so in the banks, if we are depositing 5 lakh or more than that, so then under the Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation, DICGC, okay, under DICGC, the bank will provide the guarantee, or you can say that bank will provide the insurance facility for 5 lakh or more than 5 lakh rupees saving if you are doing. But in case NBFCs, if we talk about, no such facility, DICGC facility will not be provided. DICGC, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. Earlier, the limit that I'm telling you right now, earlier it was 2 lakh. Now it has raised to 5 lakh. Okay. So DICGC facility will not be provided in NBFC, but in banks that will be provided. Okay. NBFCs will provide you the facility of loan and advances, but they do not provide you facility of demand deposits. Okay. I hope this is enough for today. Meaning I've told you of NBFCs. Okay. And like, just suppose if we talk about any kind of like chit funds, leasing companies and all, what they are doing actually, they are facilitating the financial growth, they are facilitating the growth of the country. Okay. And they also enhance the employment generation, you can say. Per capita income is also going to be enhanced by these NBFCs. Okay. And time to time, whatever the guidelines that is going to be provided by the your chit fund acts or RBI act or a companies act, so they are supposed to follow all that conditions. Okay. And who can work as an NBFC? Initially, that minimum capital amount for the establishment for NBFC, that was rupees 25 lakh. Okay. And every company, insurance company, every individual that want to establish as NBFCs, so they should having the financial track record of last 10 year. Okay. Minimum 5-year financial record they required for like their sound growth rate. Okay. And when they are finally establishing the this NBFC, so they are required 10-year financial growth. Okay. Which one point, Anjali, you want to ask? I'll share the notes with you. Already I've shared in your class group, I suppose, that is related with NBFC. Again, I'll share 25 lakh limit you're asking for. Just scroll your WhatsApp group. Okay, you find there. Okay. So thank you, everyone. Stay blessed, stay happy. Any doubt if you have, so kindly put your message in the chat box.